How to disable Snapchat calls. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can disable Snapchat calls. So open the Snapchat app and swipe to the right to access your chat. So you will have to tap on the chats, tap and hold on the name of the person that you want to disable calls from. So let me select any of the person from there. Let me select this one, and after that you have to tap on their name. Then you will have to tap on the three dots, and then you will have to tap on the chat setting, and then from there you will have to tap on the notification sound, and you can see message notification. So you can turn off the message notification from there. So if you want to disable all the Snapchat calls, you can follow the same step for each user you want to disable calls from. Please note that Snapchat does not offer a direct option to disable calls completely, but the steps above you can help you manage and disable calls from the specific user or all the users on your account. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.